Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to calculate longitude of a place. Before starting the calculation, we have to remember some key points. Firstly, the question will given you two timing of two places. Suppose one place timing is given you 1 p.m. Another place timing is showing you 7 p.m. Now to compare of these two timing, we can say that 7 p.m. is ahead of 1 p.m. That means it is in the eastern hemisphere. And 1 p.m. is behind the 7 p.m. That means it is in the western hemisphere. Which means if the two timing is given in the question, and if you can see the one timing is ahead of another timing, that means the ahead timing is showing you in the eastern hemisphere and the behind timing is showing you in the western hemisphere. Second point, the question will given you a longitude of any places. Between two these places, the question will give you any one of the longitude. Suppose the 7 p.m. longitude is showing you 60 degree east. Suppose it is mentioned in the question. So we find out the 1 p.m. timings longitude. Sometimes in very rare cases longitude doesn't given in the question, because the examiner already knows that you know this place's longitude. Sometimes in question longitude is not given. In that case the place's name will be given in the question. Sometimes it will give GMT or prime meridian or BBC London. That means it is in 0 degree. You know that already. The second thing, if it is given you the India's and the longitude is not given or mentioned in the question, but you have to remember that India's longitude is 82 degree 30 minute east. Kolkata's longitude 88 degree 30 minute east. These places longitude you have to remember in your mind. Now you can see in this question, the question is telling us if it is midday at a place when the Greenwich time is 4:30 p.m. find out the longitude of the place. You can see that two timing is given in this question. One is 4:30 p.m. another one is midday. So we can draw like this. One place is showing you 4:30 p.m. That means obviously it is in the eastern side, because it is ahead of the midday. That means 12 noon. Now you can see that Greenwich is mentioned here. That means 4:30 p.m. is in 0 degree. No longitude is given in this question, but you have to remember this, that Greenwich is in the 0 degree and the time is showing you 4:30 p.m. Now we are going to identify the 12 p.m. places longitude. The first line is time difference between GMT and other place equals to (4:30) minus 12 p.m. Why 4:30 minus 12 p.m.? Because it is ahead of the 12 p.m. So if we subtract this, we will get 4 hours 30 minutes. How to calculate this subtraction? Like this. If it is 12, it is 6, it is 3, it is 9. 12 p.m. ahead of 4:30 p.m. means 1, 2, 3, 4. That means here is the 4 and the 30 minutes. Normal calculation. If you see your clock and you can calculate and get your answer. The answer will get 4 hours 30 minutes. Now we are convert this 4 hours 30 minutes into minutes. So we know how to convert, that is 4 into 60, that is 240, and plus 30, that means 270 minutes. Total we get 270 minutes. In the next line we are going to write 4 minutes means a difference of 1 degree longitude. That means already we know the difference of each longitude is 4 minutes. Next, 1 minute means a difference of 1/4. Therefore, we get 270 minutes. So 270 minutes means of a difference equals to 1/4 into 270. Now we are going to divide this. If we divide this 270 like this, it is 4 6 24. We will get remainder 3 0. Sorry, 4 7 28. We get 2 remainder. The quotient is 67 and the remainder is 2. So the answer is 67 degree 2/4. Now this 2/4 is a fractional number. So we have to convert this fraction into minute. Now this 2/4 fractional number, we are going to convert it into minute. How to convert this? To convert this, we have to multiply this fraction into 60. Why 60? Because 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So we multiply it with 60 seconds. And we will get, if we cut this, we will get 30 minute. Quotient will always be the degree and the remainder is always be the minute form. So we get 67 degree 30 minute. Now this is our answer, 67 degree 30 minutes. Now the question is asking us find out the longitude of that place. Since the time of the other place is behind the Greenwich. Greenwich timing is 4:30 p.m. The other place timing is behind the Greenwich. Therefore, it will be located to the western part of the hemisphere. Obviously, it is the western part of the Greenwich Mean Time. So, the longitude of that place means the longitude of this place is 67 degree 30 minutes. 0 degree is in the Greenwich Mean Time. Behind that, it is 67 degree 30 minute west. So, the longitude of the other place is 67 degree 30 minute west. Okay, the next question is, at town A, 5 degree north, 60 degree west, the time is 7:30 p.m. At town B, the local time is 4:15 p.m. What is the longitude of town B? So already we know the question is giving us two timing of two different places. One is town A, another one is town B. Now the town A is given the longitude, that is 60 degree west. Latitude is no need in this case, only longitude we need. So if we draw like this, firstly town A is 7:30 p.m. The second one is town B 4:15 p.m. Obviously town B is behind of 7:30 p.m. If it is 7:30 p.m., 4 p.m. will be written like this. It is behind of 7:30 p.m. Obviously 4:15 p.m. means town B and 7:30 p.m. means town A. Now you can see the town A's longitude is given as 60 degree west. So if it is 60 degree west, we will find out this town B's location, longitude. If it is western hemisphere, obviously it is behind the town A. Also it is in the western hemisphere. And we know if both are in the western hemisphere, 0 degree will be here, that is Greenwich Mean Time. So in this case, both places, both town A and B in the same hemisphere, then at the end of the sum we will add the longitude. If suppose if it is in different hemisphere, suppose it is west, east and it is west, if it is 10 p.m. it is 1 p.m. Suppose the question is giving you like this, and both places or both town are in different hemisphere, then at the end we will subtract the longitude of these both places. Okay, this is the key point you have to remember. Now the first line we know, that is time difference between A and B is 7:30 p.m. and 4:15. That is 7:30 minus 4:15. We will get 3 hours 15 minutes. Normal subtraction. Now we have to convert this into minute. We will get 195 minutes. How? 3 hours multiply by 60, that is 180. Add 15 minutes, we will get 195 minutes. Okay. Next line, 4 minutes means difference of 1 degree longitude. Already we know that difference of each longitude, that means if like this, if we move this longitude from 0 degree to move 10 degree, that means we need 4 minutes. Each movement, each degree movement of longitude we need 4 minutes. It is the basic concepts, already we know that. Now in the second line, 1 minute means of difference, that is 1 by 4. Therefore we get 195 minutes. So 195 minutes means difference of 1 by 4 into 195. So if we subtract this, that is 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32. Again we get 3 as a remainder. So how to convert this? We know that 48 degree quotient is the degree one, and 3 by 4, again it is in the fraction. So we know how to convert this into minute. Multiply by 60, we will get 15 3s are 45. So our answer is 48 degree 45 minute. We know how to convert the fractional number into minute. To convert into minute, we have to multiply it is 60 and we will get the answer, and it is the minute form. So the total longitude is 48 degree 45 minute. Since the time of the other place is behind the town A, that means we know the diagram. This is the town B and this is the town A. It is the 7:30 and it is the 4:15. Both are in the western hemisphere, right? So we already know that the other place behind the town A, so it will be located at the west of the town A. So the longitude of town B is, we get, already know that 60 degree. Longitude of town A is 60 degree, already mentioned in the question. So we have to write the 60 degree west plus answer we get 48 degree 45 minutes. Why should we add? Because before this question already I told you, if both are in the same hemisphere, at the end we will add the longitude. So if we add it, we will get 108 degree 45 minute west is 108 degree 45 minute west. So the longitude of town B is 108 degree 45 minute west, because this place is situated behind the town A, because the timing is behind the town A. So it is in the western part of town A. So our answer is 108 degree 45 minute west.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment it. Thank you.